My name is Shelley Shaw, and I'm the Global Commercial Lead for GI Cancers here at Astellas.
Shelley, what's your role here in the fight against gastric cancer here at Astellas?
Important aspects of my role include understanding the patient journey at a global level and identifying the unmet needs for patients and healthcare professionals.
And what inspired you to take on this work?
For me, this is very personal. Cancer hit my family twice. My mom was diagnosed at the young age of 48 with breast cancer and lost her battle at age 51. 2 decades later, my oldest sister was also diagnosed with cancer at the age of 48 with multiple myeloma and lost her battle at the age of 53. So I know personally how cancer can impact patients as well as those loved ones that surround them.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
Of course, I think it's important for us to use our voices and our individual experiences to make a change, whether that's through research, participation in trials, sharing stories, or whatever it may be.
So what would you say is the most surprising thing you've learned about gastric cancer in your role?
I would say how few options exist for advanced gastric cancer patients. While significant progress has been made in other cancer types, which has led to improving the prognosis, the gastric cancer space remains stagnant for over a decade.
But you all are hoping to change that, right?
Eventually, yes, there's a lot of research in progress to help us make strides towards that goal.
Beyond the research, what else has Astellas been doing in this space?
I'm glad you asked. We've gotten the chance to meet some incredible people who have had their lives changed by gastric cancer. Learning from them and witnessing their strength through a journey with devastating cancer that has a very poor prognosis has been so inspiring and helps put everything into perspective. Why more treatment options are needed. And we've connected with many patients, advocates, and their families through amazing gastric cancer advocacy groups. Working with groups and people like this helps to reinforce all the work that we're doing to change lives through research.
So at the end of the day, what do you all hope to accomplish for these individuals?
At the end of the day, we'd hope to play a part, even a small one, in a world without this terrible disease. That may be far away. There's a lot of research to be done, but we're on a mission to change tomorrow for the patients, families, friends, and everyone impacted by gastric cancer.